scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Limits from graphs get easy fast when you track what the function approaches near x equals 2 instead of getting distracted by one single point. To find the limit as x goes to 2, do not start by asking for f of 2. Instead, look at the y value the graph approaches near x equals 2. Next, check both sides carefully because a limit exists only when the left-hand limit and the right-hand limit head toward the same y value as x gets close to 2. Here, both sides approach 3, so the limit is 3 even if the actual point at x equals 2 looks different or is missing. Well done! Option C. Scan now. Do not rush or get fooled by signs. Trust the given graph and check both sides step by step.